Hey everybody, Reggie here in the D. I hope it's not going to be too windy today. It was really windy yesterday anyway, so I just cleaned up the trash out from in front of the house. A lot of it had gathered. My neighbor, well, he's not really a neighbor, it's just a speculator, somebody who's holding a piece of land, doesn't really clean it up very often, so then people just start dumping and it just wends its way down, so I kind of have to clean all the way up. It's all right, it's all part of being, because my neighbor is me. I am my neighbor. Yeah, I'm just really grateful, really grateful. Some beautiful knowledge came to me. I was reading my book, Awakening to the Spirit, which has to do with shamanism. And I was realizing as I was doing this work that all of the exercises that one does to build their kind of shamanic energy, but a lot of the same exercises that one does when they're in a recovery program. And so it's not surprising that I've been feeling this powerful shamanic energy around me. And I called my sponsor yesterday and I was like, did you ever give me these shamanic exercises? And she was like, no, but it doesn't surprise me. And of course it doesn't, because these things are all connected. This wisdom is eternal wisdom. It's awesome. I got an email from a friend, a Facebook message actually, and I've been trying to stay away from a lot of Facebook stuff, but she's actually working with a group who are right now talking about the universal use of masks. Some people are like, you gotta wear a mask. Some people are like, you can't wear a mask. Well, and there are differences, right? Because a mask doesn't necessarily protect you from what might go into your eyes or what might be on the things around you that you may touch and then carry home with you. So a mask is more like, but in Asia, there's, that's the thing that they do. In China, they're big on the mask. But here in the United States, apparently there was a group there were two African-American men who were followed into a Walmart by a police officer because they were wearing masks. And the police officer saw that, and for some reason, that looked to the police officer as suspicious. So before you lambast me for wearing a mask, it's a very different, it's different messaging when some people wear masks versus others, right? And there are people who have, gotten into debates about even like the hijab, you know what I mean? Like people wearing, traditional Muslim wear over their face and various other things. And forgive me if I'm getting the words wrong, because that's not what I'm here to talk about. I'm here to just say what I'm thinking about right now. But anyway, I'm just keeping this so positive. One of the things that, I guess one of the things that really came to me is the idea that there are tools that we all carry that really open us up and get us through difficulties. And they generally have in common gratitude and awareness and this idea of kind of charity, not in the charity of giving money to charity, but like blessing, wishing others well, like goodwill towards the human race, right? But I believe it should be goodwill towards the whole, everything, all of existence. So that's what I'm thinking about sitting here in front of the house. I'm just, I'm sitting here on, almost an acre of land that is just waiting to give me things, and to give to all of nature, to give to all of us. Nature is so forgiving, and it expresses its gratitude so beautifully, right, by giving. So that's what's on my mind today. How can we be more like nature and express gratitude, express awareness, and awareness including, how do we let go of things as opposed to living in the past and holding on to them, but awareness in the present, and also this idea of offering our blessings to others, and not like bless you because you sneezed, but like, I really wish you well. I really wish you well. Okay, that's it. That's all I got to say. Peace, y'all.